Alright, we're going to look at how to use Eclipse for CT290. When you launch Eclipse, you'll see a welcome screen. You can close that. On the left there's the Package Explorer, File, New, Java Project, or if that doesn't show up, Project. The wizard shows up. You can type in here. If you type Java, you'll be given a limited list. Project names. Name your projects with the assignment. So Lab 0 dash your Drexel ID, all lowercase. The defaults are all fine to accept. You can check them out. Finish. Your project shows up here. Next, you want to create a class. New. Class. Give your class a name. Class names start with uppercase letters, and they should have a package. We'll typically use the CT290 package. We'll also usually use a main method. Control S for the save icon saves. To run, right click, run as Java application, or this keyboard shortcut. The console displays the output of our application. To export as an assignment, your deliverable will be a jar file. Right click on the project in the Project Explorer. Export, jar. We're going to export it as a jar file, not a runnable jar file. We want the jar file to be runnable, but we have to choose this option if we want to export the source. Make sure that the project is selected. Make sure that Java source files are being exported. We must check this. Give it a name and a location. Lab 0 dash ADT22, the assignment, dash your user ID. Make sure that compression is off. Don't just click finish, but go next. This will be useful for partial submissions. Make sure that we're generating the manifest file, and we need to select the application entry point. This is the class, the main class that we're running. Here it's hello world, but it's whatever the main method is that you've written. Finish. That's exported to the directory we specified. So we open up the terminal. Or if you're on Windows, you navigate to the folder and you need to run the jar file. Here, the jar file is created, and we invoke it with java-jar lab 0, and it executes the jar file. We see that the jar file has the source files included in it, and we're all set. This is good to go as a submission now.